Back in beautiful Hamilton, Ontario, the place that never seems to get any love from any of these TikTokers out there. Well, fuck that. I'm here to give it some love. You know, I get it. I get it. Not the prettiest, not the nicest smelling. But you know what? It's got its places, man. Okay? Tony G's Pizza. 3 that I've wanted to do in Hamilton for sure. Cowabunga, Shorty's, Tony G's. So we got it. So here we are. Me and Lemmy here. R.I.P. Lemmy, you're the best. Okay, I'm not going to show you the whole wheel because it's a pain in the balls. But I will show you a slice. Okay, pepperoni, that's it. Plenty of cheese. It's not bad. There's something about it. It's almost kind of sweet. Well, the pepperonis have some grease in there. Anyways, it's good. The only thing I'll say is that it's not hot. Fella told me 30 minutes. They called me. I went in. I grabbed it. Took me about 5 minutes to get here, and it's warm. So much so the fact that some of the cheese has sort of like, it's got that look like it's been sitting there for a little bit. I'm not too sure what's up with that. It's not melty still. It's sort of congealed. So I'm a little disappointed in that. Garlic dip. Let's try some of that. Garlic dip's good. I'm a little put off, I'm not gonna lie, by the fact that it's just basically warm. So I don't know how long it was sitting there, but he said it would take about a half hour. It took a half hour. What? To be honest, I'm a little put off by the fact that the cheese all congealed and shit already. Like it has, and it must have been sitting out for a little bit. All right, anyways, folks, all in all, I'm going back to Shorty's. That's the best, in my opinion, that I've tried so far. I would say I would put Cowabunga above Tony G's. This place was highly recommended by a whole bunch of folks. It's not living up to it, though. I can't lie. There's no, I don't know what to tell you. Let me just see if I can pull off some of this cheese. Like, it hasn't been cooked not long, as far as I can tell anyways, but it's not hot. You know, when you go to a place and you're gonna burn the inside of your mouth, okay? But yeah, I'm a little disappointed. I don't know. What would I rate this? I rate this, I feel like I'm owed gas money. That's what I would rate this. Disappointment. Like the last season of Game of Thrones disappointment, okay? Anyways, that's all I got for you, mother bitches. Okay, you want another, you want to score? Fuck it. I'll give it a 6. That's it, man. It's not fucking hot. What can I say? Jesus, get off my balls. All right? Peace out, mother bitches.